Bridge Club. Today I'll be teaching you how you can make your very own puffy paint at home. For those of you who aren't old enough to know what puffy paint is, it's basically paint, but it's 3D. It'll make more sense once I actually make it and show it to you, so we'll get started. In a bowl, you're gonna add a 3/4 cup of shaving cream. So now you're gonna add that shaving cream that you spent so much time squeezing out into your bowl. Now you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of white glue to your bowl and mix. You can use any type of glue as long as it's white glue. Scrape it out and mix again. Okay, so now you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of flour to your bowl and mix it until just combined. And by the way, you don't need to use the amounts that I used because it is quite a lot of glue and flour. As long as you have a 3:1 ratio of shaving cream to glue to flour, you should be good. So now your mix should resemble pancake batter or cake batter, just something that has a little bit of lumps in it because that's fine. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to split our batter into different bowls and add color. I would suggest you use a plastic cup if you don't want to wash it because you can throw it out. But if you are using a glass cup, make sure you clean after yourself. I'm gonna make green and brown and you'll see why that is in a bit. So here I am just dividing. There's the green. And make sure you add 1 drop at a time because you can always go darker, but you can't go lighter, right? There's my black. And if you don't want to wash the spoon after each color that you mix your lighter colors first because they won't show up in the darker color. So here I'm just adding my black and taking the spoon I haven't washed to mix it. And I am adding quite a bit of black just because you know that if you mix black and white you get gray, but I don't really want this to be gray. So just mixing, adding a bit more black, mixing again. And here I'm adding a little bit of red and purple to give it a bit of a purplish tint. So now if you want to pipe it, you can place it in Ziploc bags, or if you don't have them, you can also just use a paintbrush and use it like normal paint. Whoa, that transition was pretty cool. So here I am, just trying to squeeze all the stuff to one corner. So seal it tightly and snip a small corner off using scissors, and you can use it like a piping bag. Oh no! But we gotta learn how to overcome obstacles, even if your bag breaks. I'm not gonna bother transferring it to a different bag. I'm gonna learn how to work with this. So here I just drew a cone onto a brown piece of paper. You can draw a design, you can fill it in, you can start out new, or you can do whatever you want because this is your craft. Working with the obstacle, that's good. So now I'm using the black to add chips to make it mint chocolate chip ice cream, even though I don't like mint chocolate chip. But now you're done. Enjoy, paint whatever you'd like, and get creative. And show us what you made during Bridge Club next week.